Hey, what's up, Polygon holders? So after a very long time, Polygon has fails down. Exactly what's the main reasons today fails down, and can there is a chance to upcoming time Polygon is wake up again now and go in the moon? Yes, absolutely, we completely discuss about this. But first of all, my friends, I have a request to kindly subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. So thank you so much, my brother. As you can see this time, first of all, I am going to show you the updates of Polygon to what's going on this time. You can see here the last 1 hour update is going to be negative, and if you can see here the last 1 day chart is going to be positive. So it's a very good news for all of you. To the last 24 hours they change equivalent positive. My friends, don't see this last 1 hour. I hope, my friends, after this short fail they also take a very huge jump, and they will give you a very good profit now. So the last 7 day chart is also negative. Don't see this short fail. Absolutely, my friend, in the last week all currencies is wake up and go in the moon, but absolutely this coin is falls down. So the main reason is that to this coin is falls down because, my brother, if you could see at this time last 1 month chart, I think exactly, my friend, you understand, to the last moment they completely go in the moon, and therefore after a big jump every cryptocurrency fails down. So therefore, my friend, I'm 100% sure to after this jump they fails down. So exactly this is reality, my friends. But after this fail, I hope upcoming time they also moving upward now. So you need to hold, my brother, and wait for a good time. I hope the good time is coming soon, and they will give you a very good profit now. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.